and welcome to our channel Tyson the Lazy Labrador. Thank you for all your subscriptions and views. So many pet lovers have sent so many comments loving Tyson and telling about their pets. So today I am going to read away some of the comments. Let's start. The first comment which I would like to read out is of Darling Chakri. He says, "You are lucky to have such a lovely and truly loving dog." Yeah, it is for sure that we are so lucky to have Tyson, and he loves us so much, and so do we. We're trying to spend maximum time with him. The next comment I would like to read is of Meme XD. This person has sent us a poem, and it says, "Missingly उसने भेजा मुझे ख्वाहिशों का बॉक्स, फिर गिरते पड़ते सामने आया एक डॉग, उसकी मूंछ छोटी, नोस और रोज जैसे टोस, ऊपर नीचे हो रहे थे उसने छोटे छोटे आईब्रोज, उड़ गए थे होश जब लिया था साले को गोद, लैब्राडोर के रूप में आया था एक सबसे स्पेशल दोस्त." Of course, it is very true. Our pets are our special दोस्त. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, आपने इतना अच्छा कविता भिजाया. Thank you. The next comment is from Dasagari Deepti. She says, "Intelligent and cute. Love you, Tyson." Thanks for your love to Tyson. And the next comment is from Rupali Das. She asks a question, "Why does he like car keys so much?" So Rupali Das, I want to tell you, there's a small story behind it. It is that Tyson is not habituated to sit on bikes from his childhood. We always took out him wherever we went in car. So now he's very scared to get inside a bike. Like even the Activa or Dio, he doesn't sit inside the bike. No? So he will get into the bike, but he will come out from the other side. He will not let it start. But car, he feels that if we are taking the car keys and we are going out, obviously, and if he takes away the car keys from us, then he can come with us, or he can prevent us from going outside. So see, I'll just show you how excited he gets when he sees the car keys. Tyson, it is his favorite keys. He'll just keep on looking at it. So now see, he wants the car keys now. So first thing is that we won't leave the house without the car, and if the car keys is with him, either we will have to take him or he can prevent us from going out. So we'll give him the car keys. So now he'll keep it in his mouth and keep it for half an hour. The next message is from Anant Prasanna. He says, "Love to Tyson from Soumya." Thank you, Soumya. The next comment is from Ash Ketchum. "Dog is the only thing in the world who loves his owner more than himself." Of course, Tyson, maybe any pet dog would love the owner more than himself, because they are selfless creatures, and sometimes I feel like as we request God to give us, something which we wish, because we know that there is someone called as God, who may have the authority to give us something, or we believe that so for all the pets, we are the parents, we are everything. So they can't do anything by themselves. So they would think about us more. So very comment is from Saru S. It says, "I have the same breed. His name is Papu." Hi Papu. Lots of love to Papu from Tyson. And if you have good stories about your pet, you can please send us. You can record videos and send us. We would be very happy to post them in our channel. The next comment is from Sundar. He says, "Dog nature is true. It's a family friend. Lovely video for mind relax." Thank you very much, Sundar, for your lovely comment. Comment is from Ambika PV. She says, "Tyson is very smart. Please keep uploading more videos." Yeah, sure, Ambika. In between, we were not able to upload videos because of our work commitment, but now we will be uploading videos regularly. Thank you. And Navya Dasagiri says, "Wherever you go, Tyson follows you." Yeah, it is very true. The moment I get up till the moment I sleep, Tyson is always behind or somewhere near me. He would even chase me till the car. If I'm inside the car and he is out, he will try to climb from the window. The next comment is from Rishik Moore. He says, "Keep uploading, your channel is growing." Thank you, Rishik. We will surely be uploading, and we always need your support. The next comment is from Sonia Jose. She says, "Such a clever boy. Yes, of course. Tyson is very clever. Sometimes I tell him that, I tell my wife that if he would have been in school, he would have been a school topper. Now, he knows so many languages. He can understand Tamil, he can understand Telugu, English. So we have to split keys as KEYS. So we cannot tell the words. Otherwise, he'll just jump over us and like he'll be activated that we are going out. I just say keys. Give me the keys. It doesn't matter what keys it is. He'll jump on me like, yes, we are going out. So I have to tell, give me the KEYS. For everything I have to divide as spellings. She's from Neetu K. She says, Tyson fan. Thank you, Neetu. Please keep supporting us. The next comment is from Anita Gaikwad. She says, Tyson, you are looking very cute and a handsome prince. Thank you, Anita, for your lovely comment on Tyson. Yeah, of course, he's the prince of the home. He's the most pampered guy. Next comment is from Gayatri Ram. She said, Merry Christmas to Tyson and his parents. Thank you very much. Of course, I am replying to you quite late, but thank you for your comment. So, the next comment is from Mr. Rohit Khatri. This comment was when we were shooting the Christmas video where we distributed gifts to children around our house. So, he was asking, why is Tyson looking sad, or it just seems to me? Thank you, Rohit, for your observation. Yeah, of course, Tyson was sad then because my wife's sister Chandrika, she had been at her house for some days, but she had to go back to her place. So Tyson was feeling dull. He was missing her, might be. And later on, after half an hour, when he played with the children, he was again fine. Thank you. The next comment is from Manmohan Chaudhary. So he says, Chala wait chesanu mi video kosam. Thank you. Please do videos every day. Thank you, Manmohan Chaudhary garu. మీ కామెంట్స్ మమ్మల్ని చాలా మోటివేట్ చేస్తాయి. చేస్తాం రెగ్యులర్గా టైసన్ వీడియోస్. మీరు ఇలాగే మమ్మల్ని సపోర్ట్ చేస్తూ ఉండండి. మీకోసం రెగ్యులర్గా వీడియోస్ చేసి పెడతాం. థ్యాంక్ యూ. ద నెక్స్ట్ కమెంట్ ఈస్ ఫ్రమ్ అంబికా పివి. రియలీ లక్కీ టు హ్యావ్ సచ్ ఎ లవ్లీ పెట్. ప్లీజ్ కీప్ అప్లోడింగ్ మోర్ వీడియోస్. యా ష్యూర్ అంబికా, we will be uploading videos and thank you for your support. Next comment is from Praveen Kandikatla. Hi, met you in Aranya Eco Resort. Remember me? Yeah, buddy, I remember you. You played a lot with Tyson, and then we introduced ourselves. You're just staying beside us. And this lady also, her name is Sunita P. Hi, we met yesterday at Maridmulli. So this was when we had gone to the Aranya Eco Resort and at Maridmulli. So it was outing for Tyson after a long time, and Tyson really enjoyed it. He likes plants. Even though he'll be sleeping under this tree. He likes his plants a lot. So he enjoyed the trip a lot. Thank you very much for your comments. The next comment is by Rupali Das, who says, even he understands Telugu. Wow. Yeah, Rupali, he understands Telugu, as I just informed you all. He understands Telugu, Tamil. He knows some words in English. So we all are like planning to learn some other language so that we can easily cheat him and go out. Next comment is from Anand Rajan. Love it, from Tamil Nadu. Romba Nandringo. English support Pannindirungo every. Thank you. So next comment is from Mr. Debujit Bora. He says, very cute and funny doggy. Yeah, of course. Thank you. The next comment is from P. Tanvish. Please share daily diet video. Yeah, of course, Tanvish. We shall very soon make a video on his daily diet and post it. The next comment is from Soumya Sarkar. It says, lots of love to Tyson. We have a lab named Whiskey. Can you give me the routes to the resort? The next comment is from Madhusudan. He says, what do you feed him? The pup looks fantastic. Hi Madhusudan, thank you. We shall very soon post a video on Tyson's diet. The next comment is from Bhuvaneshwari. She says, cute Tyson. Thank you very much. The next comment is from AJS. It says, Tyson is very cute. Thank you for your love. The next comment is from Bhavya Sankavaram. She says, super nice. Thank you, Bhavya. Next comment is from Bhuvaneshwari P. She says, Tyson has unconditional love. Yes, of course, Bhuvaneshwari. Sometimes I get angry on him, but even then he will love me so much. The next moment when I will be feeling sad, I again just go to Tyson to pamper him, and he doesn't keep anything in his mind. So it is unconditional love for him. Next comment is from Shiny NK. It says, very smart. Thank you, Shiny. The next comment is from Dr. Vikram Pundkar. He says, so cute. So this is about the video where Tyson was not coming out of the car. He was not at all willing to get down from the car. Then I had to take him for a small ride. Then finally he agreed to come back home. So he says he will come after one more long drive. still can't promise. Yeah, very true. He is very greedy guy. The next comment is from Sarita Vijayan. She says, new subscriber, also cute, smart. He's so attached. Yeah, Tyson is very, very attached to us, especially me. The next comment is from Harikrishna VK. He says, you are so lucky to have him. Of course, Harikrishna, we are so lucky to have him. The next comment is from Mangala. It says, honest like God. Of course, all these creatures are just like God. They are so selfless. They don't have any intention to hurt us. It's not only about the pet dogs or cats, whatever. It is about all animals, even the street dogs. They are really, sometimes we really feel bad for them. We try to feed as many street dogs as possible. The next comment is from Views of God's Own Country. So it says, I used to do the same to my German Shepherd years ago when I was a kid, just to see her reaction when I cry. So actually we had done the video of crying and not feeling well just to see how Tyson reacts. But after seeing his reaction, he was so stressed. He was trying to pacify us, and one video where I was coughing and Tyson felt I'm really ill. So afterwards we decided not to do any such thing because that would make him more stressed. The next comment is from Kuru Gode. He says, dogs are amazing humans. Exactly. So it's like dogs are humans, of course. So for Tyson, he feels he's the boss. The next comment is from ATMO. It says, you have a beautiful heart, Tyson. Thank you, ATMO. The next comment is from Padma Srinivasan. She says, dogs could understand our feelings. They are at times stress busters. Wonderful companion indeed. Yeah, a very, very true comment it is. Thank you. The next comment is from Soumya Reddy. She says, any human can make us feel lonely at some point of time in our life, but no pet on the planet can make us feel alone if you own a pet. That is the greatness of animals. So please love animals. Do something for them if you are in a position to do. Very, very true comment, Soumya Reddy. And as we know, we can fight with our friends, with our family, and they may not be willing to talk to us, at least for some hours, some days. But pets are not like that. The moment I fight with Tyson, I get angry on Tyson sometimes, but immediately he is back to me. Again, we are again in the same relationship. It never turns ugly. The next comment is from Neeta Sharma. She says, how cute. Thank you, Neeta. The next comment is from Himanshu Tyagi. He says, oh my god, how sweet dog. Oh my god, I've loved your dog and dog's nature. Love you, doggy. Thank you, Himanshu Tyagi, for your love towards Tyson. The next comment is from Prithvi Raj. He says, I like your sweet pet and I also fan of your pet. Thank you very much, Prithvi Raj. Next comment is from Bhanumati Mishra. She says, ये बोल नहीं पाए पर फीलिंग्स खुशी और दुख के समझ रहे हैं. हाँ, ज़रूर समझते हैं. और जब हम खुश होते हैं तो ये भी बहुत खुश होते हैं, और जैसे हम दुखी हो जाए, नाटक भी करें कभी दुख होने का, तो ये बहुत दुखी हो जाता है. ये आपने बिल्कुल सही बात कहा है, और हम हर बार ये कोशिश करते हैं कि अगर कभी हम दुखी भी है तो इसके सामने नहीं दिखाते हैं, क्योंकि ये बहुत डिप्रेस हो जाता है. नेक्स्ट कमेंट इज फ्रॉम श्रीनिवासन के. क्यूट लव बिटवीन डॉग एंड यू. थैंक यू वेरी मच. I would also like to thank Pooja Srivastav and Sangeeta Nair for their regular comments. Due to time constraints, I'm not able to read everyone's comment. Please kindly understand. Thanks for watching the video. Keep supporting us. Thank you, Tyson family.